Good morning, class 10th. Today I discuss about the ions. Charge atoms are called ions. Atoms are neutral in nature because they have equal number of protons and electrons. Ions have unequal number of protons and electrons. Atoms are always loss or gain of valence electrons. There are two types of ion, cations and anions. Positive charged atoms are called cation. Metals have tendency to form cation after loss of electrons. Atoms have 1, 2, 3 valence, 1, 2 and 3 valence electrons. So they are lost 1, 2 and 3 electrons to form cation. After loss of electrons, 8 electrons are remain in outermost shell. So they achieve inert gas electronic configuration and they become stable. They are not lost 5, 6, 7, etc. electrons because they become unstable due to high energy need. One positive charge developed due to loss of one electron and two positive charge developed due to loss of two electrons. Cation atoms have more protons than electrons. Na11-281 electronic configuration, it become Na plus due to loss of one electron, and Na plus has electronic configuration 28, so it is a stable configuration. Magnesium 12-282, it lost 2 electron and it developed 2 positive charge. Aluminum 3-283, it is electronic configuration of aluminum, it lost 3 electron and developed 3 positive charge. And why develop positive charge, 3 positive charge? I also explain here. Aluminum has 13 proton, 13 electron, means 13 plus 13 minus. They are neutral, they are cancel to each other and neutral in nature. But in Al3 plus, proton 13 and electron become 10 minus due to loss of 3 electrons. 10 minus cancel 10 plus charge, but 3 plus charge left on atom, so it develop 3 positive charge. Anion, negative charge atoms are called anion. Nanometals have tendency to form anion. Nanometals have valence electron 4, 5, 6. They become stable. They become stable when they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. And it is possible by gain of electrons. They cannot gain more than 4 electrons because they become unstable. Unstable due to need of high energy. Anions have more electrons than protons, so they carry negative charge. One negative charge is formed due to gain of 1 electron and 2 negative charge formed due to gain of 2 electrons. I give example: chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Chlorine has electronic configuration 287, it gain 1 electron and form Cl minus, and electronic configuration Cl minus 288. Or why it develop the negative charge? Because in chlorine has 17 protons, 17 electrons, they are cancel to each other and neutral. But in Cl minus, proton is 17 plus, but electron is 18 minus. So 1 minus is extra, that's why it develop the negative charge. I also explained by the giving example oxygen, nitrogen. Electron dot structure. Ions are also shown by the electron dot structure. Always valence electrons are lost or gained. So in electron dot structure we only show valence electron. Na plus और Na plus ये जो है आपका 1 valence electron दिखा रहा है, और ये जो लॉस करता है तो Na plus हो गया है, ऐसे लिखो. अल्युमिनियम 3 जो है यहाँ पे डॉट है, 3 इसका valence electron है, इसने 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन किया और Al3 प्लस बन गया है. क्लोरीन के पास 7 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन आपका है, एक गेन किया 8 हो गया और एक माइनस चार्ज यहाँ हो गया. ऑक्सीजन के पास 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 2 गेन किया, 2 माइनस चार्ज हो गया और इलेक्ट्रॉन जो इसके आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 8 हो गया. इस तरह से इसका हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉट स्ट्रक्चर लिखते हैं, जिससे हमें बॉन्ड में सुविधा होता है. थैंक यू.